Hi, my name is Ray. If you are interested in learning how to use Parenchymal Airspace profiling method and the software, then you are in the right place. I'm going to show you my usual workflow. Hope this video can help you with your future research. Okay, now after you collected 10x equivalent image that represent your slide, you can open this file up in Adobe Photoshop. Here you can edit this file before you feed them into the Parenchymal Airspace profiling software. Generally, I do two types of things. First, to clean irrelevant stuff out of the image, and also to paint the non-parenchymal area with a particular color. So later in the software, it will automatically recognize the color and count them towards non-parenchymal area. Okay, to do the cleanup, let's just press B to switch to paintbrush. Okay, yeah, if you do not have the foreground color selected correctly, you can hold down Alt and just sample an area. As soon as you click, this foreground color is going to turn exactly into that color, and then just use this brush to paint everything away. Yeah, the irrelevant, the staining. Yeah, and let's just move around more. Okay, here on the bottom. Also, there is another trick. Okay, if you are trying to go straight across, after you finish here, hold down Alt key and go where you want it to end, and then hold down Shift key and press the left mouse button. That helps you to go clear all the way through. It's just gonna save you some time, some trouble. Okay, looks like we're gonna quickly clean it up here. Okay, also let's just make the brush size smaller and go into it by pressing Control and plus sign. It's gonna just zoom in a little more. Okay, switch back to paintbrush. Okay, and make it smaller and clean up this area. Okay, here and there. Okay, let's zoom out and see what else we need to clean up. A little more here. Okay. Oh, this area is still not very ideal, I think. This area is probably not a very good section. Looks like this area has been like broken apart and folded against each other right here. So since it's close to the outside of the lung and we do not want the software to sample this area, let's just connect it to the outside so they won't be considered the lung, and the air spaces inside will not be sampled. Okay, yeah, it's okay to, if you have so many air spaces present in the same side, you can get rid of certain area that are just due to processing artifacts. Okay, let's next deal with marking non-parenchymal area. Generally recommended color is green. I just pressed X to switch the foreground and background color. If your Photoshop doesn't have the green selected, you can just manually type in 0 for red, 255 for green, and 0 for blue. There you have the pure green color. And the trick to do this is not entirely rely on the paintbrush because it's too tedious to do that. So I usually use shortcut key W and select the quick selection tool. Make sure this is on plus, so every time when you drag this along, it's going to increase the selection size. So clearly this area is non-parenchymal area. So let's just mark them, select this area. Okay, when you're done with the selection, you're happy with it, just fill it with foreground color, because this time foreground color is green. The shortcut key to do that is Alt backspace. As you can see, it's filled with green. We no longer need this selection, and to free up some memory for your computer, let's just press Control D to deselect that area. Now it's not selected anymore. Then we can continue to select areas that you want to exclude. There's some blood vessel, bronchioles here or something. We do not want to sample those areas. Mark them as non-parenchymal. That will solve the problem. And also here, some. Okay, again, Alt backspace, Control D deselect. Oh, this area seems a little bit bloody, or maybe some section problem. Let's also exclude this area because we have a lot of good area to include. So blood vessel here. Okay, let's just sort of mark this as green. Also here. Okay, let's zoom out and see are there other places we need to fix. Okay, looks pretty good to me. Okay, now I think this image is ready for parenchymal airspace profiling.